Morning, all fifth standard scholarship student, English medium. Today we will start unit number 3, fractions. In this video we will complete like fractions, unlike fractions, comparing fractions, and ascending and descending orders of fractions. Okay, what is mean by fraction? It has means 1 by 2. Okay, this is a fraction number, means 1, 2 are the whole number. Okay, I take a part of this whole number, I take something from this whole number, means I represented by 1 by 2, means all fractions has numerator upon denominator and denominator not equal to 0. Okay, fractions means we take some part from whole things. Okay, this is the apple, and I eat some portion of this apple, means I eat fraction of apple, means I took the some part from the whole apple. Okay, I took the some part from the whole apple, means this is a fraction part of this apple. Okay, understood? In this way, if you want to represent number, okay, if you want to represent number, then we will represent like this. This is a whole number 1, this is a whole number. I want to take some part, I want to take 2, means some part from this whole number, then it is called as I took the fraction of from 1 by 2. How much fraction? 1, 2, means this is a whole. I took the this part, means middle of 2, means 1 divided by 2, means this is a half. Okay, this is the half portion. Okay, means this is a one number and I took the half of this whole number. This number, this fraction, this activity is represented by 1 upon 2. Okay, this is called as called as 1 upon 2 or 1 by 2. Okay, same way this is a one part. Okay, I want to divide into the 4 part. Okay, this is a 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, how it represent? 1 upon 4. Okay, I took the 4 part, means I want to fraction this whole things. I want to take 4 part, means it represented by 1 upon 4. If I want to take the 3 part, okay, 1, 2, 3, means it is represented by 1 upon 3. Okay, in this way we represent fractions number. Okay, there are some 1 upon 2 upon 7, 3 upon 7, 4 upon 7. What we observe that this is numerator to denominator. Okay, means these are the fractions, but one thing is common among 2 upon 7, 3 upon 7 and 4 upon 7 is denominator is same. If denominator of all the fractions are same, then it is called as like fraction. Understood? If denominator of all the fractions are same, then it is called as like fractions. It also means that I took the seventh part from each of number. Okay, means I took the 7 from 2, I took the seventh part, from 3 I took the seventh part, and from 4th I took the seventh part. That's why it is called as like. If denominators are same, it means I took the seventh part from the above number. That's why it is called as like number. Like is decided from the denominator value. Okay, understand? Like fractions decided by from the denominator value. Denominator value if same, then it is called as like fractions. Okay, 3/2, 4/2 and 5/2. These are the like fractions. Yes, these are the like fractions because denominator of all the fractions are same. What it mean? I took the, this is a 2, means I took the half portion from the 3, I took the half portion from the 4, and I took the half portion from the 5. Means that's why it is, if denominator is same, it is called as like fractions. Okay, same way if denominator are not same, is 1/2, 2/3 or 3/7, all denominator are not same. That's why it is called as unlike fractions. Why it is called as unlike fractions? Because denominator is not same. Why it is called unlike fraction? Means I took the half portion from 1, I took the 1/3 portion from 2, and I took the 7th portion from the 3. Means I took the different portion from the different number. Okay, and here 3/2, 4/2, 5/2. Okay, I took the same portion from the above number. If denominator are here, denominator is same, it is called as like. What is the difference between like and unlike fractions? I took the same portion from the above number. Means I took the second portion, 1/2 portion of from 3, I took the half portion from 4, I took the half portion from the 5. But here I took the half portion from 1, I took the 1/3 portion from the 2, and I took the 7th portion from the 3. Means this is unlike. I took the different portion from the different number. But here if denominator is same, I do the same portion from the above number. Clear? Understand? Why if denominator same? Comment. If denominator same, fraction is like. If denominator is not same, fraction is unlike. Okay, we will take next. This part is comparing fractions. First we will take the like fractions, means 1/2 and 3/2. These are the like fractions. How we compare in between the like fractions? First we will see how we compare the compare between the like fractions. Okay, this is 1/2, 3/2. Okay, these are the like fractions. Okay, consider this is 1, means 1 roti. Okay, you have given 1 rotis. From that you took the half rotis, means you eat half roti. Okay, and here you have given a 3 rotis किंवा भाकरी चपाती. Okay, from that half of 3 means 1/5. Half of 3 means you eat this whole roti first, and from remaining this is half. Okay, equal portion means this is the you eat and this is the remaining. Okay, remaining 1/2 and you eat, this is colored portion 1/2 means this is a equal, means you to eat half portion from the 3. Okay, means this is a colored portion means you eat this portion of rotis, and from this you have only 1/2 means which is the greater, this side or this side. Okay, it means this whole colored, which is the colored portion is greater, this is, and this half means this is a greater. Okay, from this we conclude that if 1/2 and 3/2, if denominator are same, compare with the only numerator. If denominator are the same, compare into the numerator, which is the greater value from numerator 3 means how we represent greater sign. This open side is from greater number and this side for lesser number. Okay, from 1/2 and 3/2, 3/2 is greater. Okay, understood? We will take the compare between the unlike number. If last time we have seen the comparison in denominator are same, if numerator are same 1/3 and 1/5, if numerators are same, who is the greater? For that, this is the 1, I divide by 2, 1 divided by 2, a fraction 0.5. If I increase the denominator, if 1 divided by 3, fractions means dividation 1/3, 0, 3 is 0.3. If I divide by 4, 1, 4, 0, okay, 8, 2 is 0.5. Okay, here 1/1, 1 divided by 1 means 1. Here concentrate, if numerators are same, numerator is same and denominator value is increasing. Listen, numerators are same, we comparing with the numerator value same and denominator value different. What will happen? If numerator value are same and I increase the denominator value, what happens? If I increase the denominator by 2, then 0.5. If I increase the denominator by 3, means 0.3. If I increase the denominator by 4, means 0.25. If hereafter also, if I increase the denominator by 5, means 1 divided by 5 means to 0.20. Okay, means this value is decreasing. If I increase the denominator value and numerator value if same, then value is decreasing. It means if numerator value is same and denominator values are different, then how we compare? The lesser number in denominator, who is the greater, 1 upon 5 or 1 upon 5? 1 upon 3 or 1 upon 5? Who is the less? 3. But in 1 upon, if we make the 1 upon 3, it is a greater number. What is the value of 1 upon 3? 0.3, and 1 upon 5, 0.2. Who is the greater? 0.3 is greater. Means how we remember that? If numerator value is same, compare denominator value. And if denominator value, who is the less? Means 3 or 5, who is the less? 3 is less, but 1 for fraction 1 upon 3 is greater. Understood? Okay. Here 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 5. Who is greater? Means 4 and 5, who is greater? 5 is greater. But if we compare, make a fraction 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 5, 4 is greater. Understood? Means 1 upon 4 value is 0.25 and 1 upon 5 is 0.20. Understood? Okay. Ascending, descending of fractions. First we took the two upon 3, 3 upon 4, descending of fractions. First we take the denominator value same, 2 upon 3, 2 upon 7, 3 upon 7, 5 upon 7. Ascending means first small number, descending means first larger number. We have seen if denominator are same, numerator value decide who is the greater. Okay, means 5 is greater, then next 3 and smallest is 2. Means if ascending order, this is the ascending order, 2 upon first smallest, ascending first small number, then 3 upon 7, then 5, and lastly is greatest number. And descending, first is greatest number. If denominator same, greatest number means numerator greatest number, 5 upon 7. Then who is the greatest? 3 upon 7 and last 2 upon 7. Okay. If numerators, denominator value are same, numerator value decide who is the greater or less. Okay. Next one, if numerator are the same and denominator are different, we have seen in numerator are same number and denominator are different number, means the number have less value in denominator is greatest number. Okay, and numerator have greatest number have less value. Means ascending means who is the less? 1 upon 5 is less, then 1 upon 4 and then 1 upon 3. Okay, and descending means who is the greatest? Means the number having less value in denominator is the greatest, 1 upon 3, then 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 5. Okay, in this way we decide ascending and descending of numerator same and denominator same. Next type of ascending and descending of fractions, numerators are different, denominators are different. If they have given this type of sequence, in this numerator value and denominator value are totally different, but observe denominator and numerator relation. Observe denominator and numerator relation. If denominator value is greater, denominator value is greater than numerator value by 1, 2, 3, or difference between numerator and denominator are 1, 2 or 3, then denominator value decide ascending and descending. Means if denominator, whose denominator is less, this is the less number, means 3 is less number, means whole fraction is less, then 4 is less, means whole fraction is less, then 5 is less, and then 7. Okay, 2 upon 3 less than 3 upon 4, less than 4 upon 5, less than 6 upon 7. And descending means who is the greatest denominator? 7, means whole fraction is great. Then next number 5 is greater, then 4, then 3. Okay, means whose denominator is greater value, whose denominator is less value. Okay, this is applicable only for relation is denominator value is greater than numerator value by 1, 2, 3 for whole sequence. Okay, for whole sequence is in the form of denominator value is greater than 1, means 6 plus 1 7, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 1 5, 2 plus 1 3. Okay, we will take next type is 3 upon 4, 5 upon 8, 11 upon 16, 27 upon 32. In this there is no any numerator same, denominator same, or denominator value is greater than or not for the whole sequence. This type of sequence we will solve. Find out the greatest denominator is 32. Greatest denominator is 32. Make all denominator 32. Means convert all fractions into the like fractions. Means denominator are same. For that, find out the greatest denominator 32 and make the remaining denominator are 32. Means which number is multiply first is convert 3 upon 4 we convert into the denominator 32, means which number is multiplied by 4, then we get 32. Comment means 8 multiplied by numerator and denominator, means 4 into 8 32, 3 into 8. Okay, this is the first number. Then 5 upon 8 we want to convert into the denominator, convert into the 4, means 8 multiplied by 4 and 5 multiplied by 4, means 5 into 4 20. This is a second number. Then 11 upon 16 we want to denominator 32, means multiply by 2 means 22 upon 32, and last number is 27 upon 32. we know the like fraction comparison. Like, these are the now like fraction, all denominator are same. Okay, all denominator are same means who is the greatest? Numerator is greatest fractions, means 27 is greatest, means this is greatest fraction. Then 24 upon 32, then 22 upon 32 and 20 upon 32. Okay, this is the descending order. 27 upon same, we 24 upon 32 means 3 upon 4, 22 upon 32 means 11 upon 16, 11 upon 16, 20 upon 32 means 5 upon 8. Okay, this is the descending order, and ascending order is reverse. Okay, remember, if numerator denominator value are different, there is no relation between the numerator and denominator, then first find out the greatest denominator and convert all denominator into the greatest. Okay, all dear student, if you really like a fraction part, in next video we will take the addition, subtraction, multiplication of fractions, and then we will cover the some example for in fractions. Okay, thank you so much.